I don't think anywhere else I probably would have got the hands-on experience that I had here to help me in my future career. My name is Bodee Robinson. I got my degree here at NEC in Communication Studies. I'm actually still here in Henniker working for the school a little bit and for Fisher Cats, which is a AA baseball team here. I work in their production team, so I film all games that can go online to different apps that you say if you're at home, you can watch them on TV. Certain games can be uploaded to MLB Network. But that's mainly what I do. I just go and film the game. So I'm usually in the dugout of the home or away team filming. I even was a technical director a few weeks ago. Pretty grateful for that. I was working a third shift dead end job back home. Felt like I needed a change. And so I just started researching colleges, and NEC kept popping up on my radar. And so I was like, you know what? Why not give it a shot? And so I came up here and visited with a bunch of people and kind of fell at home because I come from a small town in Texas. Pretty easy. I met with a few admin counselors. They told me the process of how my credits that I've already done will help me further. I had like a meeting or two with them, and then most of it was already set in stone. And then all I had to do was speak with financial aid. The biggest thing for me was there was a lot of things here that are helpful to students. So like the free counseling, free tutoring. I was part of the mentoring program, which helped me a lot. I mean, being almost 2,000 miles from home, having somebody I can go talk to and tell about my day, and felt really good because my last institution really didn't care. If you want to come and get you a degree that you can use in the future, I would suggest NEC. All the faculty and staff are here to help you no matter what your circumstances are. Whether you're a transfer student coming in at 25 years old and you're kind of late to the party, or a young freshman out of high school, that's my biggest takeaway, is that everyone here is to help you succeed no matter what. I believe it helped me grow more in my field that I'm going to do. NEC introduced NEC-TV last year, and that's where I found my liking. I found that I wanted to continue with news and sports area, hence why I was able to come back and work for the Fisher Cats. And it was a big thing to me to have hands-on experience because I'm a tactical learner, so I like to have hands-on and be able to do it. And so when we had the new TV station open up, it was pretty cool. Andy Hirschberger. He's actually one of the first ever that I had a class here, communications wise. And it was pretty cool to know that I was learning under somebody that has been in that world for 40 plus years and has that much expertise teaching us. I came in and had the opportunity to play football here, being the only one from Texas on the team. Everybody kind of drew around me and loved to hear the accent. So I got a lot of good teammates, good friends out of that. This past year I was an RA, so I was able to build real good community on campus with my residents and hosted events. I'd say it happened pretty quick. I mean, I'm a pretty likable guy and easy to make friends with. Well, I mean, I know everybody's different, but to me, I had my tour and all that. It just felt like home. It's really a community based school. So no matter what you do, you have community support around you. Supportive, fun, creative. If you're interested in a faculty who cares, faculty who has the experience and want to learn underneath the best and get hands-on training for your future job, then NEC is a no-brainer. I don't think anywhere else I probably would have got the hands-on experience that I had to help me in my future career. So, go Grims.